Here we go. Here we go, LJ, to this house. Come on.
Okay, let's go to the next house.
You go ring the doorbell to see the cat? Whoa.
Be careful not to pop that.
Go ring the doorbell. Or,
Be careful
They
not
want you to ring the
Oh.
doorbell. They want you to just take something. I think they might want you to just
look
take
at LJ, there's a
treat.
glow stick.
You can have one treat.
I want that too.
Okay, you can have one.
Treat.
No, I said okay,
LJ.
that's fine.
Just, yeah, take that.
All right, put it in your bucket. Tell them thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tell LJ thank you. Good job, LJ. Come on. Woo! Yeah. You ready? You want me to hold that? You want me? What do you want me to hold? This? The truck?
Whoa, nice button. Well, that's right.
Okay, hurry up. We're gonna lose Hallie.
Well, no, because there was no one there. They just want you.
Mama?
Yep.
Look, top left.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
hi. Wow.
Do you want your basket or your bucket? Another policeman. Here, LJ, you gotta bring your bucket. LJ, you gotta say trick or treat. They have their candy
Where
out.
is the doorbell? Knock on the door. Oh, the doorbell's open.
Okay, bring this up to get your candy. LJ, you need to take this.
Here, LJ.
You gotta give them your bucket. He's not quite getting it.
I'm not sure about this.
You knocking?
They might be next door.
Police! Open up.
Oh, the next.
Oh.
Oh!
Ooh, look at all their cool decorations. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Whoa, inside. Look at inside their house.
That's cool.
You ready? You hold it.
Let's go to the next.
Are those pomegranates?
Let's go to the next house.
Ooh, what is this? Look at how fancy this is.
We're going. I have to be the first.
She knew her right away.
Thank you.
LJ, say thank you.
Hey, my mom's home. Yes, Papa. Mom.
Hey, I'm right here. This way.
Maleficent, your sister.
Maleficent.
This house looks... No, yeah.
Let's go trick or treat at this house.
Yep.
Just one kid over here.
Oh yeah, it's ready.
Come on, let's go trick or treat at this house.
Go up there. Go knock on the door. LJ,
Door, ring the doorbell.
go knock on the door. Ooh, can you get it? Nice.
All right.
No, just that's it, LJ. She already pressed it. Say trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Happy Halloween.
I'm Princess Sophia.
You are a very beautiful Princess Sophia.
Thank you. Say thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.